cross question me that this works or not. So what is this 180-degree rule? The setup is very simple. Let's say market is in the downtrend. So market will be either uptrend, downtrend or sideways. Let's say market is in the downtrend. It is in the downtrend. It has already fallen. It has already trend is some kind of a pattern, some downtrend. At the bottom, let's say there is one candle. The day one, there is one candle. The candle can be green candle, red candle, or a doji candle. It can be any candle on the day one. On the day one, it can be any candle. But the day two should be compulsory green candle. Day two should be compulsory green candle, where this day two candle high, day 2 candle closing should be above the day 1 candle high. So the day 1 candle high means that is the upper wick, right? Day 1 candle upper wick के ऊपर एक green candle should close. You know where is closing? So day 2 candle should close above day 1 high. Then we can go for buying. So mainly I am teaching it for swing, and we can use the same setup for even short term also. So mainly swing, let us focus on swing first. So I'll show you some lot of examples also. Day 1, there is one candle. The candle can be green, red or a doji. Day 1, there is one candle. I am not speaking anything about day 1 candle, but I am speaking about day 2 candle. Day 2 candle is a green candle, where this green candle body, you know where is body, I think everyone knows. Vijay has spoken lot of things about technicals. That will help my session also. I'll speak something about technicals, then we'll go to option selling. Day 2 is a green candle. The green candle body should close above previous day high. Green candle body has closed above previous day high. Then go for buying. Stop loss is day 2 candle low. Stop loss is day 2 candle low. Let me take you some examples. See, if I show examples, only you will believe this. Let me show some examples. So I'll just open the best example for this one, and I'll show you even the very recent example also. So I have opened Bajaj Finance on the daily time frame. Bajaj Finance, if you can open on the daily time frame. The date is 2nd November 2020, Corona. 2nd November 2020, just if you can go to that date. 2nd November 2020. 2020, just go to 2nd November 2020. So everyone, I think you got this pattern. So mainly in whatever academy, so I am a director of an academy. So whatever in our academy, what we do is mainly we'll make students to open whatever I say. Mainly what I do, whatever I open, you have to open, then only you will understand. So just, I don't feel just listening will help you in any way. So Bajaj Finance, I just opened the date 2nd November 2020. This is a candle, if you can screen, I'll just zoom in also and mark it. So this is the candle. So this is the candle. See, you can ask me, why did you take the trade here itself? Why not somewhere else? For that also I have answer. So this is the candle which closed above previous day high, right? The 2nd November candle has closed above previous day high. So what I'll do, I'll take a trade on 3rd November. Why? Because on 3rd November, again a green candle has crossed previous day high. So you have to take an entry only if the next candle, whichever it is forming on the day 3, if it crosses previous day high again this is one more criteria. So it has crossed, right? 2nd November ka cross, high ka cross kar diya, entry le lo. Just take the entry. And every day, see, this is a swing trading. I'm using a 1 day time frame. I'm not using it for a intraday or anything else. So mainly my focus is swing trading. So I took an entry on 3rd November. My stop loss is 2nd November low is my stop loss. And for 4th November, again I am trailing my stop loss as 3rd November low is my stop loss. Again for the 5th November, my stop loss is 4th November low is my stop loss. Every day my work is to put a stop loss. Every day my work is just 1 minute. What is that 1 minute work? Get up at 9:15 a.m. You have to get up. That is the only work you have to do. Put a stop loss, go for a sleep. Put a stop loss, go for a sleep. Then you can cross question, what if there is a big gap down? If there is a big gap down, if previous day low is broken, exit the trade. See, I took the trade on 3rd November. Now can you tell me on which date your stop loss got triggered? See, 3rd November I took the trade. Why? Because green candle body has closed above previous day high. That's all my criteria. So now, on which day stop loss got triggered? The stop loss is, what is your stop loss? Every day you have to put a stop loss as previous day's low. What is, on which date stop loss got triggered? On which date stop loss got triggered? Anyone? 25th November. Yes, that's the right answer. So what is the percentage of returns you made? If you can, what is the percentage of returns you made in this trade? 37, 38%. See, one example will not help you. Definitely you will ask, this is not fair. I'll show lot of examples. So anyone confusion with this strategy? The strategy is very simple. Whenever market has given some kind of a trend, again listen carefully, market has given some kind of a trend. We should not use these strategies during sideways market. During sideways market, you know, this may not work. But during trending market, this trailing stop loss technique, which we use this name as 180-degree rule. The rule is very simple. Whenever there is one candle, the candle can be red, green, doji. Above that, one green candle ka body has closed. Green candle body should close above previous day high. Blindly buy that company shares or whatever index. Your stop loss is just one candle. Your stop loss is, remember, only one candle risk. You may cross question, what if stop loss triggers on the day 1? Let it trigger. Your risk is only one candle, right? See, this technique, we also call it as one candle risk, unlimited candles reward technique. One candle risk technique, unlimited candle reward technique. So one candle, which is that day you need to ask God to save us? Which is that day? That is a day 2, or day 3 is the day you need to ask God, God, please save me from this trade. Only one day you need to ask God. If you escape on the day 3, then there is no question of stop loss because already you have made some money. Day 3 is the only day where market has to go up. If it doesn't go up also, anyhow, your stop loss is previous day low. Now let us take next example. Open ITC everyone. ITC 25th February 2022. Recent example. So ITC, I'm just opening Indian Tobacco Company. Indian Tobacco Company. See, this techniques works out only mainly. See, we have to use this technique or any other technique. I suggest to trade or invest only in the nifty F&O companies. See, whatever you do, wherever you invest, my sincere advice is to invest only in the top 195 companies in India. So, which are those? I'll just show you. So, which are the top 195 companies which has got F&O? So, I think everyone knows which companies has got F&O. So, if I'll just show which are the companies which has got F&O. We have to invest or trade only in this F&O stocks. So, I went to Google and typed futures margin file. I just went to Google and typed futures margin file. So, I'll get one, whatever website, Kotak Securities, I'll just open. Any website, you can open any website. So, I'll just open Kotak Securities. See, these are all the companies in India. So, these are all the companies which have got F&O trading. I'll directly go to page number 8. So, 193 companies. In that, you know, we also have Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. Let's say 190 companies. See, my suggestion to everyone here is, what I follow is, I invest or trade only in this 190 companies. I don't see, See, my thinking is I don't see any multi-baggers. I don't believe in that concept of multi-bagger. I want my capital to be safe. So always I think about safety. Definitely, I invest or trade. So I'll sell my property and I'll put it in only this 195 whatever 190 companies. So I'll sell my property and put it in this 190 companies because all these companies have got futures and options. I can hedge, I can call sell, I can sell in futures, I can save my property. So if you invest in F&O stocks, even if you sell your property and put it in stock market, you can save your property. Again, diversification is needed, but if you put in a company like Zomato, so you have to keep a tomato, whatever, four-wheeler of tomato, so rickshaw of tomato and sell tomato. So always invest in fundamentally good stocks. So always my suggestion, invest in the best of a best. Best of a best. Let's go to ITC example now. So 25th February 2022. 25th February 2022. So I've just taken this one. The date again I'll mention. 25th February 2000. 25th February 2022. Just open this date everyone. 25th February 2022. Did you see a green candle has closed above previous day high at the bottom? It has closed, right? Now my question is, when did you take the entry? When did you take the entry? Any answers? 3rd March, right answer. Yes. Why on 3rd March? Why not very next day? See, it is on the 3rd March that 180-degree candle high got broken, right? See, the condition, second condition says, if whatever the candle which has closed above previous day high, the market has to cross that candle, then only there is an entry. The right entry is 3rd March. The right entry is 3rd March. And keep on trailing your stop loss. What is your stop loss? Every day we need to put a stop loss as previous day low. Every day at 9:15 a.m. what is your work? Put the stop loss as previous day low. Close your laptop and mobile. Just put it aside. Never see the markets. Never see the markets. So during market hours, in this setup, you should never see the markets. If you see the markets, you'll get tempted on the day 3 or you'll get frustrated on day 1 or some other thing. Psychologically, it will affect you and you'll exit the trade before the stop loss got hit. See, when did your stop loss got triggered in this? Can anyone? On which day stop loss got triggered? Every day you are changing the stop loss as previous day low. Every day your stop loss is previous day low. On which day previous candle low got broken? 22nd March, is it right? Yes, the right answer is 22nd March. But can you see on 22nd March, marginally it touched previous day low and bounced like a rocket. Then again you will feel, sir, if I had not put a stop loss, I would have made much more money, right? That's the reason, little alteration we have to do to the stop loss. What is that alteration is very simple. Instead of keeping exactly previous day low as a stop loss, stop loss hunting will happen. That's the reason, other percent or little below. So always have some buffer. Don't keep exactly previous day low as a stop loss or half percent little below, then your stop loss would have never triggered. Then when did your stop loss get triggered? Which is the right answer now? 25th March is the right answer. See, you entered on 3rd March, exited on 25th March. Understanding everyone? Entry 3rd March, exit 25th March. So what is the returns you got in this trade? What is the percentage of returns you got? Around, so let me take the measurement scale. So my measurement scale says around 15-16% return. So next, cross question. The cross question may be, sir, what if the stop loss triggered on 3rd March? Very simple. I'll book the loss of one candle and exit. See, this technique is known as one candle risk, unlimited candle reward. Next example, Havells India. I'll give recent example. Just take Havells India and also have a very recent example where my students made lot of money last week also. So Havells India. The date is 1st July 2022. Havells India. See, 1st July 2022. Can you observe? Yes, sir. Yes. 28th June. Which stock? Havells India. Yeah, correct. Very good question. 28th June, right? 21st June. Yes. Let's say you took an entry there. You took the entry there. What was your stop loss? See, first of all, did you take the entry? You didn't get an entry, proper entry on next day. 22nd June, did you get an entry there? No entry. Reason is previous day high did broke, right?
Which is like if the green candle is starting below the red and
Yes.
if the close is above the red, that condition okay, needed.
Yes.
Can we go for trade? This is the question.
See here, the previous day high is not broken, right?
No, in this case it's not broken.
Yes.
If broken, I am asking.
If it is broken, you have to take an entry. Anyhow,
So
your
even
stop
if
loss is
the-
previous day low.
Yeah, even if the green is below the red, it's okay. Low. Green
The
candle.
compulsory day 2 should be green candle. Compulsory day 2 should be green candle. Day 3 candle, day 2 candle ka high break karna.
Okay.
Then only entry. If it is not broken, don't take entry. Because sometimes, something like this happens and you didn't get an entry, you will take the trade and very next day stop loss get triggers. So now Havells India, you got marriage invitation card to your house on 1st July 2022. What did you get? Marriage invitation card. When did you attend the marriage? 4th July, right? And when did you come out of the marriage hall? Did you get the food? 1st July marriage invitation card आया ना Havells India वाला invitation भेजा आओ भाई marriage को आओ जा. You entered the marriage hall and when did you take the trade? See, every Friday 50 students to 60 students attend my workshop. Energy levels will be so high, but here I cannot expect same because you are coming from Pan India and 2 days light, lot of tiredness and no concentration definitely. But please concentrate, this will help you for your swing setup. So when did you exit your trade here? On which date stop loss got triggered? 20th July, yes. Did you make money? How much percent? 10%. So like this, if you get one marriage invitation in 3 months, 2 months once, 2 months once you attend the marriage like this. So we never know which marriage succeeds, which marriage fails. But next question is, how to take the perfect entry and how to scan this one. Next question will be, sir, we have 6,000 companies in India and which stock has formed 180-degree rule by, how will I get to know? We have a scanner. We have to scan. Where to scan? So web.stockage, you may be knowing. So I'll just go to the website called web.stockage. So this is the website. Now click on this bulb, everyone. Can you see the bulb there? Click on that bulb, break the bulb. Click on scans. Scans, bulb. So anyone from Karnataka who knows Kannada here? How many? Kannada. Okay, hardly one. Great, no issues. Click on scans and click on this price scans, previous day breakout scans. So this is how we have to scan. Once again, I'll tell you how to go. Go to this web.stockage, which you know. Click on scans, that is bulb. Press on that bulb logo and click on price scans. Previous day breakout scans. Previous day breakout scans. Closing above previous day high. So now, here we are getting lot of stocks. We are getting lot of stocks which I don't require. Let's say I want to trade only in Nifty 50 companies or 190 companies in India. I'll filter out the stock. How to filter out? Go to this filter button. Use this filter button. Click on by importance. Select Nifty 50 and apply. See, Nifty 50, all these stocks have given 180-degree rule. Buy. All these stocks have given 180-degree rule buy. And let me take some examples, live examples. HDFC Bank has given buy, ITC has given buy, HCL has given buy, Eicher Motors has given buy. So now, I'll just show you. So last week, some of our students took the trade. So I'll just check this also, Eicher, everything I'll check. But just look at the example of Cipla. Everyone open Cipla. Apply this technique. See, when did you got the trade on Cipla? Anyone? Cipla, very recent example. Cipla. 23rd March, you got the marriage invitation card. You attended the marriage on very next day because high got broken. Understood me? Sir, you getting? I think he is getting. So, next day high got broken. You took the entry. Trial the stop loss as previous day low. And again, trial the stop loss as previous candle low. And when did your stop loss get triggered? I think still it is not broken if you had kept a 0.5% buffer. If anyone kept a 0.5% buffer, still your stop loss is not triggered. But let's say you have not put a buffer, your stop loss got triggered. But still, did you make money in this trade? Did you make some money at least? 2%, 2%, 3%? So, just if you can make 3%, 4% in one single trade, or let's say 5%, 10%, whatever, it's still a good money using this simple rule. And now, let's go to live strategy, live stocks. Let's say, I'll just take the example of HDFC Bank, Titan, and JSW Steel. Let me check one by one. Let's say JSW Steel. See, JSW Steel has given 180-degree rule buy. Definitely your risk is very high because the candle size is too big and you should take the entry on whatever tomorrow. Tomorrow entry is there only if previous day high is broken. Which is a previous day high? If tomorrow JSW Steel breaks 685.45 को क्रॉस किया तो entry ले लो, नहीं तो no entry. Understanding? Next, so never touch Adani Group stocks. Never touch Adani Group stocks. Let's take some other stocks like HDFC Bank. So always go with number 1 and number 2. So HDFC Bank has given 180-degree roll on 28th March. You have taken a trade on Friday, sorry, that is Wednesday, that is yesterday. Still you are sitting with profit, HDFC Bank, right? You got an entry and still you are making some money. Still you are on the trade. Your stop loss is still not triggered. Now, if I use the same technique for weekly time frame, just open weekly time frame. I'll just open one stock called Union Bank of India. Weekly time frame, just take weekly time frame everyone. Weekly time frame. So weekly time frame I have taken. This technique works very well even for weekly time frame. It works much more superior. In daily time frame it works provided you get a good swing. It should be like market has given some correction already and it is consolidating and breakout, near breakouts, this technique works very well. Not in the extreme sideways. Can you see Union Bank on 17th October? You got 180-degree rule buy, right? You got 180-degree rule buy. The share price, it was trading at 45 rupees and it went to 90. So one of my students doubled his capital in this single trade using 180-degree rule. What is this 180-degree rule? Whenever green candle body has closed above previous day high, take the entry. Stop loss is previous day low. Stop loss is previous candle low. It can be weekly candle. If it is a weekly time frame, it can be daily candle if you're a swing trader. If you're a swing trader, just use daily time frame. If you're a short term means if your vision is to make money in 3 months, or positional trader, 2 months, 1 month, whatever, 1 month time frame. I mean, you want to make money in 1 month, or if you're like short term, I want to make money in next 3 months, then only use weekly time frame charts. Don't see daily time frame charts because what is there to see everyday markets? So in this setup, you should never look at the market. You should never see the market. If you see the market, you'll either get happy, you will become very happy that you are making some money and you'll exit. Or if you see the market, if there is some kind of a fall, you'll get frustrated and exit. See, mainly psychology. See, the people who have a mindset like robot, so then only you can make money in this setup. So if you continuously keep looking at the markets, you'll exit at 4th candle or 5th candle. But look at this. See, the technique is very simple. Trial your stop loss. Trial your stop loss. So in this weekly time frame, you have to put a stop loss every day because we never know which day the stock falls 10%, right? That's the reason put every day stop loss as previous candle, that is previous week low as a stop loss. So any doubts about this strategy? Because we'll move to the next one. Any doubts about this 180-degree rule? Please. That's it. This 180-degree rule. So we'll move to the next strategy. So I'll just ask one simple question. So just we'll move to Nifty chart. Just open Nifty chart, daily time frame, and let's move to the date. So I'll write some dates for you. So which is the most powerful candle you feel? Which is the most powerful candlestick pattern? Tell me. Which is the most powerful? So I'll write some dates. You can check the whatever these dates on the daily time frame. So the dates are 21st December, 13th Jan and 7th March 2022. See, if you just observe them only, you'll understand. 6th May 2022, 16th May 2022 and 23rd January 2023, which is a recent example. See, these are all some dates. So which is the most powerful candle in stock market? Doji. This is a strategy on Doji. See, whenever a Doji comes, tsunami will come in the market. Oh, tsunami. How? Stock market mein tsunami. Kaisa ho jayega? Just look at these dates. Did you find dojis there? 21st December 2021. Did you find doji there? Did you find doji? 21st December 2021 daily time frame Nifty. Just open Nifty. Whenever a doji comes, tsunami comes. See, even Wednesday I made 1 lakh rupees profit. That is, yesterday. Bank Nifty mein doji aaya tha. And I took some naked positions and I made some profits. And even on 16th May, did you find doji there? 17th May, even I made some 80k profits. Because 16th May doji came, 17th May, a big tsunami came in the markets. See, whenever a doji comes, you might see a biggest tsunami in the markets. It's a daily time frame. Just cross check and you tell me where it failed. See, anything can fail. But look at the probability of success. Whenever doji comes, tsunami will come in the market. 21st December 2021, doji came, Nifty moved 1000 points. Understanding? 13th January 2022, doji came, Nifty moved 1000 points. Next question, sir, how to do strategy when you find a doji? You can buy at the money CE, at the money PE, long straddle and just leave it. Monthly time frame में at the money CE ले लो, PE ले लो, just leave it. If 1000 points movement comes, you know the CE where you invested 10,000, the 10,000, let's say market moves 1000 points above, the 10,000 can even go to 35,000 and PE will become 0. And if market moves 1000 points below, the PE which you bought can fetch you 20k or 30k profits and CE can become 0. So whenever a doji comes, you can cross question, sir, market will go up or come down. See, we never know. Whenever doji comes, the tsunami can be any direction. We can never predict the market. So that's the reason, go for both CE and PE, which is like, you don't know which way market moves. But generally we can guess little bit. Whenever a doji comes, if doji high is broken, probability is very high, market may go up. If doji low is broken, probability is very high, market may come down. Again, I am telling, it may not be true always. But what is true? If doji comes, tsunami will come. So just open Bank Nifty. See, these dates you can check, cross check and prove me wrong. Yes, which day? Can you tell me some dates? Can you tell me which dates the doji is formed and it didn't work? Definitely, most welcome. Yes, it may not because the probability, but the probability is very high, right? So just take Bank Nifty. I'm just going to Bank Nifty. 24th November, yes, 2021. Doji came, but market didn't didn't move, make a move. See, we have to take monthly time frame, CP, दोनों दे लेना चाहिए. Trial your plus based on 180-degree rule, weekly time frame. So, which is the date, madam? 29th November. Yes. So, here, how much points Nifty mode after that move? So, Nifty mode, 500 points. Nifty mode, 500 points, right? 500 and some points, whatever. But still, it's a good move, I feel. 500 points is still a move, right? That too, see, let's not take about that, let's not think about that thing. Just, you just take the move of these two candles alone. These two candles itself gave 540 points. These two candles. The two big candles itself gave you 500 points more. Even that fetched you some money. So definitely your only question is, sir, when to exit? When to exit? That is the only question. See, for that, yes, it can be anything. See, doji means, first of all, doji means open price itself is a closing price. Doji ke liye body doesn't have any body and it doesn't have any color. Doji doesn't have any particular color. Actually speaking, it should be black. But you know, because of some movement, it's like little green, sometimes it is red. But it should be so thin. It should be so thin, it is called as a doji. So let's move to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty mein bada interesting. We have got interesting dates. See, Bank Nifty, I'll just take some dates. 29th July 2022. Sorry, 29th June, not 29th July. 29th June 2022. 29th June 2022. Did you find doji there? 29th June 2022. So I had a workshop in PES Engineering College. So I was, training some 100 plus students. On 4th July. On 4th July I was on program. But on 29th June there was a doji. Even I took some trades based on this doji. 29th June 2022 there was a doji. And after that, Bank Nifty moved 4,000 points. 4,000 point tsunami. And can you say, check 2nd September? 2nd September. Sorry, it's which date? Yeah, 2nd September. 2nd September, again doji came and Bank Nifty moved more than, how many points it moved? Can just check. So more than 2,000 points Bank Nifty moved. Just a span of 7, 8 days, 10 days. So whenever a doji comes, we can expect a big tsunami. But this doji comes once in 2 months, once in 3 months. Next question, what if tsunami doesn't happen? What happens if tsunami doesn't happen? Both CEP will melt. See, recently, 28th March, if you can observe, it's kind of a doji, right? 28th March, that is on Tuesday, 2 days back. 2 days back. So 28th March 2023, it was kind of a doji. And you can see a big tsunami which happened yesterday. A kind of a tsunami. You can see it's not a tsunami, it's like kind of a 1% move on Bank Nifty. See, yesterday Bank Nifty moved. Reasons may be very simple. Huge short covering. That too which happened after 245 yesterday. And open price itself was low price. See, any candle, if open price matches low of the day, that day very high probability market may move very big direction. Very big move can occur. Whenever open price itself is a low price. That means the candle without lower wick, you can expect big tsunami on those days. You can cross check also. Any day where lower wick is not there, that day market moves very, very strongly. And yesterday it moved. And still I am expecting, as per 180-degree rule, Bank Nifty is a buy for next week. Next couple of days, Bank Nifty will go up. Next question, what is your stop loss? My stop loss is Yesterday candle low is my stop loss, and my entry will be only if tomorrow market breaks this candle high. Tomorrow, if market breaks previous candle high, that is whatever the candle it has formed, right? Green candle. If this high is broken only, I'll take the entry, else I'll not take the entry. Any questions on doji? Any questions on doji? Please ask. So I'll go to one simple strategy now, option selling. So option selling, I think most of you are interested here to make only, that is not only, I can say, you are interested to make monthly 2%, 3%, monthly 2%, 3%. A simple strategy. So this strategy should be applied in the month beginning. Month beginning में strategy apply करना चाहिए. Month beginning. And this strategy, what I am going to apply, see, we are starting April, right? We are starting with April now. So this March got over. Now April is on the cards. But I will do this strategy for May months. April is coming, but I will do this strategy for May months. What is this strategy? A simple double ratio spread with little adjustments I'll do. So I'll just take 25th May expiry. So I've logged into my Sensible. So we use Sensible for these strategies. So ultimately, whatever we learn, if it is on the graphical form, we'll understand very, very quickly, right? Graphical form. So to understand in the graph manner, so what I'll do, the strategy is very simple. I'll just write and show it. So what I'll do, if April is starting, if April starts, don't touch April month options. See, first we'll do it for Nifty, then we can do it for Bank Nifty. Mainly, so whatever I have trained so far, more than 5,000 plus students, they do, who have more capital, who have more capital and they don't have time. If anyone has more capital here and you don't have time and you don't want to see the markets and you don't want to see anything and you just require money and you just require simple adjustments, use this strategy. It's a mainly monthly strategy. Just put it, leave it and forget it. Just put it, leave it, forget it. And when market comes to the whatever the break-even point, you need to do simple adjustments. See, if April month starts, do it for May months, May expiry में करना चाहिए. If April comes, do it for May. What is this strategy? Very simple. Just go 1,000 points above. Just go above 1,000 points and buy CE one lot. 1,000 points above Nifty. 1,000 points above. Go above 1,000 points and buy one lot of CE and 1,100 points. Go above 1,100 points and sell CE 2 lots. So double ratio spread. And again, come down, go below 1,000 points, and buy PE one lot. And go below 1,100 points below and sell PE 2 lots. So one second I'll explain. So where is market at present? 17. Where is market? 17,100. Let's say 17,100. Market is at 17,100. So what I will do, 17,100, go above 1,000 points, which is that one? 18,100. 18,100, buy CE one lot and sell 18,200 CE 2 lots. Which expiry? May month expiry. Don't do it for April month, because if you do this for April month, you may not get more profits because the premiums will be very low. Buy 1,000 points above CE one lot and sell 1,100 points above CE 2 lots. and just go below theta decay. We are enjoying theta decay, that's it. So go below 1000 points and buy one lot of PE and sell 1100 points below two lots of PE. So this strategy requires, for Nifty it requires 1.3 lakhs. Let's see what is the capital required, what is the break even. Let's everything we see it on graphical form. So 2 lot sell, 1 lot buy, and again do it on the 17,100 minus 1000, 16,100 and 16,000 PE, 2 lot sell. See, this is how the graph looks. So double ratio spread, very simple double ratio. Everyone's question will be, sir, how will you manage your losses? The loss is unlimited, right? Unlimited loss. What is the strategy? A simple double ratio spread. Buy one CE very far away and sell 2 lots of CE or thoda far, or little far, and buy one PE very far away and sell 2 lots of PE or little more far. So this is like bidirectional. Definitely capital required is high, bidirectional, because you don't know the direction. Market goes up, no problem. Market falls, no problem. Market stays sideways, no problem. But what if market breaks the break even? See, what is the break even? Roughly 7.6%. What is the downside break even? 7.4%. The break evens are very, very far. What is the probability of success? They are telling 83% chances. If you execute this strategy, you will make money. 83% chances you will make money. Next question comes, sir, what will you do if market comes to the break even? Everyone's question is that, see, market to reach to that break even, definitely it requires 15 days time or 20 days time, or sometimes even 1 month, or sometimes even 4 days. Anything is possible. So what I will do is, if market comes to 18,100, what I will do? I will add one more call option. If market comes to 18,100, I will add one more CE so that I will escape from the unlimited loss. But definitely, if market moves aggressively, you know CE cell will be in loss. We have to bear that loss. But you don't have that fear that you will lose unlimited capital, because you know a kind of a firefighting here. What is that firefighting? The 1 lot CE which you bought, see, one carefully listen things. You have to do some adjustment only if market comes to 18,100. If market comes to 18,100, what you have to do? Buy one more lot of CE so that it will become 2 lot CE by 2 lot CE cell. It will get managed. So next question, sir, how will I know that market comes to 18,100? How will I get to know? Because I will be traveling, I will be busy. I am a businessman. I don't want to see markets, and you told don't look at the markets. So definitely the question is very simple. Create alerts. Go to this Sensible, create alert, click on this alerts and notification. So when market comes to 18,100, just create alert. The alert comes to your mobile, WhatsApp. When market comes to 18,100, so how will you get to know that we have to cut the cake? Your birthday has come correctly at 12, whatever. At 12 you will cut the cake. How you got to know? Birthday is coming, you are celebrating. Here also, when to do adjustments? Only if market comes to 18,100, you have to do adjustments. If it doesn't come, don't do any adjustment. Only if market comes to 16,100, do the adjustment. If it doesn't come, don't do adjustment. See, this strategy you have to execute first week of April, exit on third week or fourth week of April. Don't carry forward this until May. Don't carry forward this trade until May. Just you need to enjoy theta decay for first 4 weeks. So execute this strategy in the April first week, or even tomorrow you can do this. Execute this strategy and just leave it. Aram se peace of mind. Don't look at the markets. When it comes to the break even, that is not break even, 18,100. If it comes to 18,100, buy one more CE and just leave it. If market continues to move higher, still you will end up making profits. If it starts coming down, you may book some minor losses. If market stays extremely sideways, if it stays between this standard deviation 1 SD or 2 SD, if it stays within that 1 SD or 2 SD, definitely you will be in good profit of 2% or 3% per month. So 2% is also really good. Let's say I deployed my capital based on simple rule. Let's say I'll just take Nifty itself. I deployed my capital into markets only when say I'll put my money into stock markets only when RSI comes to 30. Where will I deploy my capital? Again, it's only in the quality blue chips, always number 1 or number 2 company. So I'll invest my capital, I'll invest my money into markets only when stocks come below RSI 30. See, if you have money, never put it into markets. If you have money to invest, never put even 1 rupee into stock market. Never, never, never. When you have to put the money into the markets, only when Nifty RSI comes to 30, or HDFC Bank RSI comes to 30, Reliance RSI comes to 30, just invest half of your capital and keep off again, because never know, one more opportunity may come. So put half of your property into the markets when RSI comes to 30, and remaining off, you just keep it for one more fall. So there are some traders in India, they just follow this RSI 30 technique for Nifty Bs. You know Nifty Bs, everyone? Nifty Bs. So Nifty, this is a Nifty chart I have taken. So I heard somewhere a lady in India, her capital is 50 lakhs. What she does? Whenever Nifty RSI comes to 30, she will deploy 25 lakhs into Nifty Bs. Whenever Nifty RSI comes to 30, she will never touch any companies. The reason is very simple, she told. She doesn't want to do averaging on any stocks, because I know stocks are always riskier, but Nifty is always safe, right? Everyone trusts Nifty Bs, right? Nifty Bs is that you are investing in top 50 companies. Definitely your capital is very, very, very safe and you are tension free. Whenever Nifty RSI comes to 30, put half of your property into the markets and wait for 3 months or 4 months or 6 months. You will get minimum 15 to 20% returns here itself. Don't do anything in the world. Don't do any strategy. Don't do anything. Just Nifty RSI comes to 30, invest on Nifty Bs. Invest on Nifty Bs and wait for 3 months. You will make 15% returns. So like this, if you can get 2 trades per annum, you will make 30% returns, which is what entire India, entire world is struggling for. 30%, 40% CAGR. Yes. So whenever Nifty comes to RSI 30, invest. See, she will invest 25 lakhs it seems. Whenever once again if she gets an opportunity, she will invest one more 25 lakhs and she will wait for 3 months or 4 months. And every 2 months once she will be in abroad. She doesn't be in India and she doesn't go for any work. Our only strategy she knows is buy Nifty Bs whenever Nifty comes to RSI 30 and sit tight. Buy right, sit tight. Buy right, sit tight. You have to know that what you are buying. See, if you buy Reliance, definitely if RSI comes to 30, still you have that what happens to Ambani, what happens to company, what happens, that still that fear will be there. But if you buy Nifty Bs, you will never be in fear, because Nifty has to come up, Nifty will come up, and Nifty has been coming up, and Nifty will be lifelong going up. See, I'll just show the lifetime chart of Nifty. I think everyone knows it. This is the lifetime chart of Nifty. See, stock market never falls. This is the first thing you need to understand in markets. Stock market never falls. Stock market will never fall. Never fall. Never fall. Even if it falls also, if you can wait for 1 year, again it will bounce back. Stock market will never fall in its life. Stock market has never fallen in its life. Even if it falls also, if you can wait for 1 year, again it has to come up. So, just look at the Nifty chart and just look at HDFC, Reliance, Tata Power and Maruti. So, if you ask me which is safe, but definitely Nifty Bs is safe, because index can even touch So Nifty, lifelong it goes up, but stocks, it can go up, or sometimes it can do consolidation for 3 years. But index, every year it makes new high, or every 2 years it makes new high. So that's the power of index. So if you're option seller, definitely my suggestion, don't invest in stocks, invest in index. That too, whenever Nifty comes to RSI 30, invest and just pledge it. You'll get collateral margin. Use that collateral margin for option selling. Using gamma 2, you earn only 1% in gamma 2 or 2% in gamma, whatever, sorry, the double ratio spread, whatever. Double ratio spread by 2% you just earn, and using this Nifty RSI strategy, you earn 15-20%. Still your CAGR will be 30%. 30% to 40% per annum CAGR is really big. So any doubts on this RSI, Doji, 180-degree rule? So who am I? So I'm the director of TD Academy, you might be seeing. So this is our trading floor. This is our trading floor in Rajajinagar in Bangalore. So every day 150 traders will sit in our institute. Every day is a traders carnival in Bangalore, that is in TD Academy. Every day is a traders carnival. Every day I see 150 traders in my institute. And this is our classroom. Every batch I see 50 students coming to meet me and listen to my lecture. Every Friday students come to my workshop, every Friday. So I have not taken any leave, and this is our trading floor. And this is a big empire in Karnataka, TD Academy. And this, to become to this stage, I took 6 years of my journey. So thank you once again. Thank you one and all.